shop. It was difficult for him to work because he did not have much money. Can you relate to the struggle of keeping a small business afloat? Share your thoughts in the comments. One day, a young boy with an empty stomach entered the bakery and said that he was hungry and did not have money, so he could not buy something to eat. Taking pity on him, the bakery owner gave him some cookies to eat. The boy went away happily, and years passed, and the baker, unfortunately, fell ill. He needed surgery, but the cost was a mountain he couldn't climb. But then one day a doctor came and offered to perform the operation for free. The man was shocked and started crying, but then he agreed. When he regained consciousness after the operation, the doctor said to him, "Uncle, is everything okay?" Confused, the man asked, "Son, do we know each other?" The doctor introduced himself by telling